Okay, so I'm going to show you where the scriptures are online, just in case there's somebody new to my channel and watching my videos that's never heard tell of the concordant version. You can get it online if you don't have a hard copy. Mostly anybody that's discovered the concordant publishing concern has gotten the version themselves. But online, if you go to concordant.org, you can find the actual scriptures, the Greek scriptures, right here. This is where I get all the verses from Paul's letters associated with the word studies that I do. So, plus they have publications, tons of publications, Unsearchable Riches, everything there, study tools, etc. So online, it is tremendous. It is a tremendous study tool to have. And most people do things online these days. They don't actually read books, physical books. I know I do, but most people don't. These days, younger, especially the younger generation, they read online. So that's an amazing tool. So if you're new to my channel, you want to discover where to get it online, there it is, concordant.org. I have a link to concordant.org under the more section of every video. So you can get the link to this. Today I have another word. This is the word here, feignedly. And there's the Greek. Right there. Hopefully you can see it good. English element is simulately. Now the concordant scriptures is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scriptures today to present to you. First one here is Romans 13:4. For it is God's servant for good. And that speaks of magistrates and authorities, whatever's in power in the law of the land, basically. So now if you should be doing evil, fear, for not feignedly is it wearing a sword. For it is God's servant and avenger for indignation to him who is committing evil. 1 Corinthians 15:2, through which also you are saved, if you are retaining what I said in bringing the evangel to you outside, and except you believe feignedly. Galatians 3:4, so much did you suffer feignedly, since surely it also is feignedly. Galatians 4:11, I fear for you, lest somehow I have toiled for you feignedly. And Colossians 2:18, let no one be arbitrating against you, who wants in humility and the ritual of messengers to parade what he has seen, feignedly puffed up by his fleshly mind.